नमस्ते बच्चों, स्वागत है आपका MTV सेंटर फ्रूट मेडिटेशन बेस कैंप। मैं हूं डॉक्टर साइरस बेब। देखिए, दिस कैंप विल टीच यू अबाउट
अरे सॉरी सर, वो भूल से ऑन हो गया।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। आत्मा और विश्वास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है।
अरे लंच के लिए मोमो ऑर्डर कर रहे।
शांति to all uncle and aunt. Who did that?
कौन है वो?
अबे आ जा इधर। क्यों? Why? Welcome to MTV Center Fruit Comedy Base Camp. So we've organized this fantastic comedy hunt, but ये नहीं हो पाएगा alone. I can't do this alone. I need some company. I need some fresh blood, some young talent. तो मैंने सोचा, who is there out there who's a good comedian? So I thought I'll get this Nishant boy. Let's get this Nishant Suri on. And hopefully if he comes on, then he and I will talk and we will discuss things and we will decide who the आ गया already. As if we acted it out and practiced it and rehearsed it 5 times, फिर भी late आ गया। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। Hi Nishant, what's up?
How are you, Cyrus?
Powerful hand. I'm very good, sir. I'm very good. We have to look at all the people who have tried to enter this competition. Best 4 से we will decide in this episode, running episode, कि number 1 कौन है। चलो, are we ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
हाँ।
मैंने और मेरे एक दोस्त ने प्लान बनाया कहीं घूम के आते हैं। फिर हम नैनीताल गए। नैनीताल पहुंचे, हमें वहाँ टूरिस्ट मिल गया मार्टिन नाम से। वो जर्मनी से था, तो फिर मैं उसे लाइब्रेरी घुमाने ले गया। लाइब्रेरी के अंदर गए, बाहर आए, मैंने देखा उसके जूते चोरी हो गए। मैंने कहा, अभी जर्मनी जाएगा, क्या क्या इंडिया में जूते चोरी होते हैं? तो मैंने वही किया जो सच्चा देशभक्त करता, मैंने उसका पासपोर्ट छुपा लिया।
सच बताओ। Not bad, no?
Not bad.
So I'm basically at that age where my parents no longer ask me to get married. Instead, they're like, "Ja Sadia, ja, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी." Slightly because they spent all of my dowry on my education.
I like a personality.
Yeah, she's very. She's very confident.
I have a sweet tooth. You know, I like eating dessert. I like eating sweet stuff. But if I can't find something sweet to eat after dinner, I just eat my mom's homeopathy pills. So in a way, I'm also a drug addict.
Nice. I liked it.
I like the fin at the end.
He played with it. Very good. चलो ठीक है.
My name is Pooja Natarajan. I have been successfully Zinda for 27 years. Originally from Tamil Nadu, born in Kolkata, brought up in Rajasthan and been in Mumbai for the last 9 years. And no, my parents are not in the military.
The perfect Indian citizen.
Myself, Niharika Pant, doctor by profession.
सब normally ही तो बोल सकते थे.
I like her, but I can't understand her. But that's part of comedy.
Yeah.
मेरा दोस्त अभिषेक, उसका सेल्फ एस्टीम इतना है वो 3rd पर्सन में बात कर लेता है यार। मैंने उससे 10,000 रुपए ले रखे थे, तो वो मेरे पास आया और मुझे बोलता है, हे मांगू, अभिषेक ने तुझे 10,000 रुपए दिए थे, अभिषेक को उसके पैसे वापस चाहिए।
Not bad.
लोग पूछते हैं पापा को कि आपके बेटे क्या कर रहे हैं? My father very proudly ऐसे छाती फुला के say very proud to say my elder son is a doctor from AIIMS Delhi and my younger son is trying his best. मेहनत पूरी कर।
ये मेरा favorite है। सच बताओ, I like him the most so far.
I like that really animated lady. Sadia. Mohammed Hussain is good.
Natural flow.
Confident भी था, very.
Yeah.
I think the voice was really off-putting for Niharika. अगर वो आवाज करने की जरूरत नहीं थी ना, मतलब आप जोक्स में आप ले सकते हो। Otherwise, I think she has potential.
Okay, we have the final 4. Here they are. First, Ajitanshu Ramji. Second, Sadia Ali. Third, Mohammed Hussain. And 4th, Niharika Pant. Now should we go and meet them?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's call them on. The champions will contest for the championship in this episode. पहला नाम है Ajitanshu Ramji. Quite a good-looking lad, I must say.
I know, right?
Ah, beautiful here. How are you doing, Ajitanshu? Good. Just stay on to the side because we're going to call in the second contestant. Who are you going to fight against? Niharika Pant. How are you, Niharika? Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Cyrus. I am very good.
Yeah, you all are getting tired standing. So why don't you go and sit down?
Thank you.
Ladies first, ladies first. Now, Mohammad Hussain. Don't worry, their jokes are better than their dancing. Do not judge by this. Okay, have you planned anything special today?
Hopeful to make you laugh. That's the plan.
Number 4, Sadia Ali. Sadia, in 30 seconds, tell us something about yourself.
I am Sadia and I
Your
love...
time is up, but that was great. We learned so much. We were entertained by you and you were great in your audition. So this is going to be a fun show. Lot of pressure now on you. Huh? Okay? Go and sit.
Thank you.
But ये काम अकेला से नहीं हो पाएगा. We need somebody to help us. We need somebody with a calm head. The one and only Nishan Suri. Who was faster?
What?
How are you, sir?
Very good, Cyrus. How are you?
Pretend we're meeting for the first time. All good. There'll be 2 rounds in total. And at the end of each round, we will give you a combined score out of 5. The winner gets a cash prize of 2 lakhs. Okay, you also get an opportunity, and this is more important than money, to perform at the world's most extreme comedy show near the Everest Base Camp. बहुत simple सी बात है. Basically, each of you will have to come up with pick-up lines to pick up this hunk. फिर you have to also come up with break-up lines to break up with this hunk. ठीक है? So it's going to be great fun. और एक और बात, इस गेम को थोड़ा और challenging बनाने के लिए you will be given specific themes on which you will have to base these lines. Both pick up and break up. तो एक example देता हूँ. मैंने ये joke लिखा है. If the theme is given as fashion, तो मेरा point है, Hey Nishu, are you a 3-piece suit or do you just make me feel all hot and sweaty?
You would definitely be disqualified from this round for making that joke.
I thought it बहुत अच्छा था. 3-piece suit.
Good try. Well tried.
हाँ? हाथ तो मिला दो. Got it? The first theme is mountains.
Are you Mount K2? Because you're a Q2. Oh, chal bhai. Let's go.
Listen, no. Are you Mount Everest? Because I would love to do comedy at your base camp.
Nishu, I just have 1 oxygen cylinder left. How many times will you take my breath away?
Oh, nice.
Hi, baby doll. Are you Mount Everest? Because I will happily die on you.
Wow.
2 marks for baby doll.
That's it. The next theme is food. F-O-O-D, food. Khana.
I heard you like dry fruits. How about a date?
Oh, nice. मुझे मुगलाई नहीं पसंद because I hate तंदूरी. कितनी बार घर लेके जाओगे हुसैन बाबू?
Hi, baby doll. You heard of Warren Buffet? I have another kind of buffet.
No girl has ever said this to me, yaar.
Is your name Rabdi? Because ला टपक रही है यार मेरी जब से तुमको देखा है.
The patawing is over. Now the rejecting. How to get rid of. पहला topic है office.
What do you mean you want a notice period? That's not how breakups work.
You are like Secret Santa. Never meet my expectations.
Are you an HR-inspired Diwali decoration? Because... Hello, elaborate your setups out.
The next one, शायरी and poetry.
आया था उसका मैसेज, कर रहा था मुझे मिस, मैंने भी पलट के जवाब दिया. New phone, who dis?
दूर से देखा, you were the icing on the cake. पास जाके देखा तो तू निकला rattlesnake.
Roses are red, violets are blue. I kind of like your sister more than you.
Nice, nice.
मुझे नहीं करनी तुम्हारे साथ कविता, क्योंकि दिखी थी मुझे कल तुम्हारे साथ सविता.
Okay, 1 tuka 4, 4 tuka 1. Stop the fun. It's over.
Yeah.
Come here, Judge Saab.
Thank God.
We have to
Chalo.
discuss. Guys, superb. Very well done. Don't worry. ये सब subjective चीज है. Doesn't matter. You're all very close. So at number 4, we have
Niharika Pant.
But well done. Very close, like I said. At number 3, we have Sadia Ali. And it's little point, half point differences. And runner up, Ajitanshu Ramji. Well done, which means the winner, Mohammad Hussain, is number 1. Come on, give Max a big clap. Okay, coming up is a stand-up presentation. They're going to come here and literally stand up and perform, and you will judge, we will judge and decide who will get 2 lakhs and get to perform near the Everest Base Camp. So here it is, round 2. First contestant is one and only Niharika Pant.
Hello, as you know, I'm a doctor. ऐसे टुकुर टुकुर क्या देख रहे हो? पढ़े लिखे लोग भी करते हैं यार कॉमेडी.
कर दिया वो टिंग टोंग.
So I'm going to talk to you about my top 3 patients. सबसे पहला पेशेंट वो है जो कहता है मैडम मुझको कैंसर हो गया है. ये वो पेशेंट है जो ब्रह्मांड के सारे टेस्ट करवा के आता है और भैंस की टांग सब नॉर्मल आते हैं, सारे नॉर्मल आते हैं. इसको जीने की लालसा उतनी होती है दोस्तों जितनी आपको चुपके से अपनी गुप्त जगह में खुजली करने की. पर जो नेक्स्ट पेशेंट है द काढ़ा स्पेशलिस्ट. ब्रो एक बार तो मैं अपने सपने में एक पेशेंट को बोल रही हूँ भाई तू 2 अदरक और 4 लहसुन के फांग सूंघ के सो जा, तेरा बुखार उतर जाएगा. माय नेक्स्ट पेशेंट, दे आर वेरी क्यूट. इनको इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही होती है कि ये मुंह ही बंद कर लेते हैं यार. इनसे अगर पूछो हाँ दर्द हो रहा है क्या? अच्छा कैसा दर्द हो रहा है, कैसा? डॉक्टर साहब झुनझुनी सी उठती है शरीर में, सरसराहट सी होती है. मैं साउंड दादा हूँ क्या यार? है साउंड दादा दिख रही मैं तेरे को? एक सेकंड गाइस, आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग फोन कॉल. या आई जस्ट गॉट माय टेस्ट डन यस्टरडे. आई जस्ट हैड अ थोड़ा सा दर्द हो रहा था यहाँ पे, यू नो. या हेलो या आ गए रिपोर्ट्स? अच्छा हाँ बता सारे नॉर्मल है. क्या बात कर रहा है? सीबीसी, सिटी स्कैन, अरे MRI, अबे सब नॉर्मल है. कैंसर हो गया ब्रो मेरे को. That was my time, guys. Thank you.
Doctor साहब, sorry, Dr. Mem साहब. शो के बाद में I have a little problem. I want you to say it.
I hope you'll pay me.
The hell? Okay, well done. Give her a big hand. Thank you, doctor. Let's move to contestant number 2.
Let's do that.
Rhyming with Ajitanshu.
So yeah, I'm going to speak to you guys about some politics. No, I won't make jokes about politicians because I like living. The politics I'm referring to is the Indian joint family. An Indian joint family is a lot like a dramatic Hindi TV serial. Everyone in my family is like Kamolika. सब आग लगाने में expert. एक दूसरे पे बर्तन फेंकना और चिल्लाना, that's not domestic violence for us. ये तो परंपरा है. In my kitchen, there is 2 of everything. There are 2 pressure cookers, 2 gas lighters. साला मिक्सी भी 2 है. I call them Riddhi and Siddhi. Why do we have 2 of each? Because my mother and grandmother don't get along with each other. तो हर चीज में बंटवारा. For them, sharing is not caring. It's about tearing each other apart. Because we have 2 pressure cookers whistling at the same time, it always sounds like there is a man eve-teasing somebody in my house. Which is why I'm always covered up, because I feel unsafe. Because we have 2 mixies, Riddhi and Siddhi, I don't need an alarm to wake up. क्योंकि एक मिक्सी की आवाज से इंसान जाग जाता है, लेकिन 2 मिक्सी की आवाज से मरा हुआ इंसान भी जाग जाता है. Riddhi and Siddhi were the reason Karan Arjun came back to life. And maybe that's why even my relationships were not normal. This one time I met a girl on a dating app. She invited me home. I went. She wasn't very interesting though. But then we went to her kitchen. And then guess what? She also had 2 mixies. Riddhi and Siddhi were back.
Oh no.
And right then, I called up my mom and I told her, Amma, सबको बता दो, मैं आपके लिए बहू लेके आ रहा हूँ. She is the one. That's my time, guys.
Superb. I'll tell you one thing. He'll be endorsing pressure cookers by the end of the night.
Yeah. You'll get a lot of brand endorsements.
और next है
Mohammad
Hussain.
Hello everyone, hello. Can you guys hear me properly? Good? Yes? Nice? Okay. I know I've been doing so many Zoom mics now, it's a habit for me to say that. Okay. Nice. Let me properly introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Hussain and I'm a Muslim, which means I don't drink, I don't smoke, but your parents still probably hate me. मैं बहुत खूबसूरत हूँ ना इसलिए. That's what I think. Like, you know how people go to Goa to drink and do drugs and go crazy? I go to Goa to make sure those people reach home safely. That's my job. Like, you know how मेरे दोस्त की पार्टी खत्म होती है और they are like, oh क्या मजा आया, ये किया, वो क्या, oh क्या मजा है. My party ends with, madam 5 star दे देना. So, that's the job. I'm the guy who holds their hair when they are puking, you know, and I take some photos because blackmail कभी करना रहा तो.
Correct.
Yeah. People ask me why you don't drink, but I say I do drink. I just don't drink the drink that you drink. Huh? Wordplay? Appreciation? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't drink. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And I hate people who don't drink. But when you ask them why you don't drink, they'll say things like, I don't need to drink because I'm high on life. डूब मरो, ठीक है, गू खा लो थोड़ा, किसी की भी लाइफ इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग होती नहीं है, ठीक है. एटलीस्ट इफ यू ड्रिंक सम अल्कोहल, सबको अच्छा लगने लगता है, यू नो, गाना अच्छा लग रहा है, खाना सबको अच्छा लग रहा है. यू ड्रिंक सम लाइफ, यार हर महीने रेंट भरना पड़ता है. Just that's the life. And alcohol makes you fat, right? Do you really need one more thing in your life that makes you fat? Dude, like, I can't lose weight for shit, dude. Like, my motivation to go to the gym is so bad that I have been taking my before pictures for 2 years now. That's where we're at. Cucumber खाना पड़ रहा है यार वजन घटाने के लिए. Sorry, I'm rich. Aubergine खाना पड़ रहा है वजन घटाने के लिए. Have you noticed that's what happens, you know? अगर कोई भी subject लेते हो, अगर उसमें थोड़ा ऐसे अंग्रेजी भभर देते हैं ना, it becomes sophisticated. उसका भाव बढ़ जाता है, right? This happens in restaurants a lot. Like, have you noticed that the cost of food in a restaurant is dependent on the language spoken by the waiter? That's why whenever I go to a new restaurant, I stand outside the window, look at the waiter and ask him Hindi, English. Thank you guys, that's my time. My name is Mohammed Hussain.
Well done. Well done. और next है सादिया अली.
Some people these days are like, oh my God, I don't judge people, and why not? It's literally free. Would you watch the Olympics if there were no judges in the Olympics? No, you wouldn't. The whole point of the Olympics is that you judge other people. That's the fun thing. Otherwise, imagine, you train so hard, you jump over a stick with another stick, you do synchronized dancing in a swimming pool, and in the end for what? Everybody to get a medal. I had a really horrible grandmother who would say really mean things to me, like, "Uptan laga lo, you're becoming very tan." First of all, white people pay money to look like this. You know why? Because this is a snack. A snack, a samosa, if you will. You know what people don't snack on? Idlis. If you think about it, the richest people in India, they look like samosas. You know who looks like idlis? The people that dance at their weddings. I said it. I wake up every morning and I choose violence against anyone that has ever said "Hamare zamane mein." Hamare zamane mein, we used to cross a river to go to school. हाँ तो आपके ज़माने में murder भी तो था. Like, if somebody annoyed you, you could murder that person and get away. Like, who's gonna catch you? उनके ज़माने में CCTVs थोड़ी थे, नहीं थे. The only time people would come and take or look at your fingerprints is to ask you to go marry a tree. Back in the day, being a kidnapper was an actual career choice. You only needed an Omni. These days, there's like surveillance, there's IP addresses, there's tracking addresses. You try to be even a chotu criminal and they'll like display your chats on primetime TV, like news channels and stuff. But yeah, that was sort of my time. I'm going to let the judges do the judging now because they get paid for it.
Well done, well done. But now the moment has come. Let's not waste any more time. Who has won this episode? Who is the MTV Central Fruit Comedy Base Camp champion? So we'll start with Niharika.
I found it very funny when you said something about Gupt jagah mein khujli and then you moved to a completely posh English accent and started doing it in your act. That was fun. And your act outs are really nice. So good job. Good
And
job.
you're a doctor. One side the Pagalpanti on one side or doctor on the other side. I love that about people.
Anyway, Jitanshu बहुत अच्छा सेट था. I really like that eve teasing वाला joke बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे. रिद्धि सिद्धि वाला. रिद्धि सिद्धि नाम भी stand up it always works if you do these sort of things. थोड़ा ऐसे personalize कर दिया, नाम दे दिया inanimate चीजों को.
Or merge. Next.
Next, Sadia.
Again, good set. Couple of jokes. Olympics में सब judge करते हैं like that thought.
Superb opening.
Yeah.
Judging is free. I love that philosophy.
हाँ, आते good start to the whole set.
बड़ी सोच.
इडली वाला भी अच्छा था. इडली snack. Loved that bit also. और मोहम्मद good set. अच्छा लगा that you had jokes right from the start. And should we start from number 4?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah.
At number 4 is Niharika Pant.
Again, very close. Well done. Very close.
Yeah, this was all. Don't worry, not a lot of gap between everybody. Number 3 पे है Sadia Ali. Now it's time to announce the winner.
Simple maths है. अगर second आ गया तो first already आपको मालूम पड़ेगा.
मालूम पड़ जाएगा.
MTV Center Fruit Comedy Base Camp winner का नाम है मोहम्मद हुसैन. In second place to Ajitanshu Ramji. The winner Mohammad Hussain. Well
Congratulations, Mohammad Hussain. Congratulations, rest
Very good
of you.
performance.
Very good
by
job.
everybody. Well done, guys. Keep the claps going. Keep the claps going.